Little Johnny's mornings aren't just about brushing his teeth or pouring cereal. There's a reason he wakes up before the sun, and by the end of today, you'll find out why. At exactly 5 a.m., before the birds even start singing, Johnny opens his eyes. No alarm, no complaints, just quiet determination. He stretches, makes his bed perfectly, then brushes his teeth with quiet focus. By 5:20, he's in the kitchen, pouring cereal like a little chef. A few strawberries, a splash of milk, and exactly 8 cereal loops on top. Yes, he counts them every morning. Most would call him a disciplined kid, maybe a bit strange. But no one's ever asked him why. Not his friends, not his teachers, not even his parents. Because Johnny doesn't talk about it. But after breakfast, he tiptoes past the living room, past his little sister's toys, and into the hallway closet. Inside, beneath a pile of blankets, is a dusty old tablet. It was his older brother's, the one who used to wake up early too, the one who's not here anymore. Johnny doesn't talk about the accident. He just remembers the promise they made. Keep waking up early. Keep building cool stuff, no matter what. So every morning, Johnny opens that tablet. He continues the code they started together, the silly robot app, the one that never quite worked. And today, it finally runs. It speaks. It blinks. It laughs, just like his brother used to. And for the first time in a long time, Johnny smiles back. Because he kept the promise. He wakes up early, not to be perfect, not to impress anyone, but to remember, to rebuild, to keep a piece of his brother alive.
This exact story format is making us over $10,000 a month right now on one of our faceless YouTube channels. If you want to learn how to make videos like this from scratch, grab our ebook, Faceless with a Face. It walks you through the entire process of building, launching, and growing a faceless brand, even if you've never done it before. And if you want the exact character prompts we use to create animated stories like Little Johnny, grab the Prompted Up Vault. It's packed with ready-to-use prompts and updated with new ideas almost every day. Click the link below and start building your faceless income today.